Okay. Do a little, do a video blog here. Sorry. Anyway. Set this down real quick. Anyways, today, where are we going for a little hike? Maybe I'll get lucky and there'll be something new film today, which I hope. Had a pretty good birthday. Thanks everybody out there for the birthday wishes. That was really cool. It's actually pretty beautiful out here. I'm pretty lucky, man. I've had this area to take pictures in. And there's just stuff everywhere. Hey, look, you know, I got like this, and there's tons of stuff, you know. I'm mowing, goldenrod. And then boom. Now we should maybe be a little surprised. I don't know. Let's see what I can find today. Oh, these are purple. Look at that. That is good. Purple. Oh, I can get anything.